Daddy.
What are we doing today?
We have chase car.
Okay, so we're about to unbox your Chase Power Patrol set.
Yay!
Yay! So let's take a look at it. Let's see what we have here. We have a big truck. We have a helicopter. And then we have all these cool cars here. And we have Chase right there. And some other stuff here. So we're going to go ahead and open it up and take a look. Right, buddy?
You got it.
I got it? Okay, so you ready to open it up?
Yay!
Okay, so let's get it opened. So first, we have the truck. Whoa. So that's the truck. Look, push this button and it opens right here. So that's the truck. Whoa, that's so cool. So if we push this button here, it opens the top. We push this button here,
No, don't do it.
it opens the side. Push the siren button. There we go. And the siren, that opens that. Push that yellow button right there. Yep. Whoa, and it opens the top. And that's where we can put the helicopter.
What?
Okay, so let's go ahead and get the other two ones open. So we're gonna show you what the helicopter does. So we got the helicopter, we push that all the way down. Wait, we close it. Now push the button. Whoa, be careful. Whoa, that is so cool. Isn't that so cool? Well, you gotta push it all the way down, push it all the way down. Push the helicopter all the way down. Push it all the way down, like this. There you go, now you can close it. Now close it. Now push the button. Whoa, awesome. Thing we have here is the gun. So you actually take the gun, put the gun right here, and you can shoot. Put it back up here. There you go. Push the red button. Whoa! Shoot another one.
Okay, what? You go put it.
No, you gotta put it here. It goes only in the gun, in the yellow gun. So shoot it again. There you go. Now push the red button. Whoa, awesome.
What?
Cool. Okay, now we got the motorcycles right here. So we can actually launch the motorcycles. Okay, now let's shoot the motorcycles out. Push the button. Whoa! Push it again. Whoa! Okay, so Marshall and Chase go up there. Okay. So let's lift the helicopter. Whoa!
Chase will go to the helicopter.
Okay. Uh-oh. Okay. Whoa, whoa.
It's a fun.
Whoa, spin the helicopter. There you go, whoa. Whoa. Okay, push the button to let the motorcycles go. Whoa.
Bye, buddy.
All right, guys. Appreciate you guys checking out the unboxing and review of the Paw Patrol Chase truck helicopter. And y'all take care. Stay tuned.